Okay, I just got off work, so I'm gonna try this smoked turkey leg. You can get these anywhere, maybe HEB, Kroger's, wherever, but they're not tender. So I'm gonna try this in the air fryer. I never tried it in the air fryer, and I'm gonna let you guys see what it turns out. So I'm gonna just sprinkle a little of this seasoning right here, some Worcester and some garlic salt and some Tony citrus. Then I'm gonna wrap it up with this onions, and I'm gonna let it cook. And I'll let you know, guys, the cook time. We'll take it out and we'll try it together. All right, let's go ahead and put a little seasoning, my Worcester, and just sprinkle it. I'm gonna put it on both sides. I'm just making a quick video. Take my garlic salt, put a little bit in there, and I'm gonna turn it on the other side. Put some of my Tonys. I ain't gonna over season this thing because it's already smoked with salt and all that other stuff. So, and you see how much I put on that side, and I'm gonna just flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. I'm recording this with one hand and trying to do all this, but you guys get the point. I'm in the rush. I'm gonna have to jump in the shower, so I'm gonna put this in the air fryer while I'm in the shower and do my reports. And I'm thinking it's gonna take 2 hours, but we'll find out. All right, as you can see, I had to do some modifications. It wouldn't fit in my air fryer, so I had to saw it in half or break it, not in half, but break the leg part off so it could fit in my air fryer. But we're still gonna give this a shot. Okay, here we go. It looked like a roast. That's the only way I can get it into this little air fryer. That's just me. But we're gonna get it in the air fryer. We're gonna start it up here. All right, we're gonna go up on the time and just see how far it'll go up without going back. So 60 minutes. So that's the most this one would do. And the temperature, we're gonna go 350. Let's try 375. And we're gonna hit start. So we're gonna see what that first hour do. And if it's not tender enough, we'll cook it some more. So stay tuned. Okay, it's been 1 hour, so let's see. It's hot. Smell good. I don't know if you can see that juice, that steam coming from it. Kind of tender, but I think it need to cook a little longer. Some people like theirs like that, so I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer. It is kind of tender, but I need mine a little bit more. It's good like this, so I'm gonna go for another 30 minutes. Sprinkle a little barbecue sauce a friend gave me. Man, this is some good sauce right here. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on there and rewrap it. Put it back in for 30 minutes. I think that'll do it. Hey, when you're working long shifts and living out your RV and you get home, you're tired, sometimes you got to just open stuff out the can. But I'm gonna tell you what, I tried these the other day, these collard greens right here in this can. What is it? Margaret Holmes. Hey, they're pretty good. Only thing you have to do is just add a little season to it, not too much. And you got your little meal. So after my turkey leg get finished, I'm gonna show you my plate. All right, 30 minutes later. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Come on, don't burn yourself. There we go. Oh, look at that. Woo. It's hot. Oh yeah, that's how I like it right there. Let's see. See if it pulls right off. Oh yeah. That's perfect for me. I'm gonna try over here. Pull this piece off. Look at that. Oh man. Let's see if I can turn this off. I got welder's hands. Oh yeah. Look at that. Just right. So I'm gonna fix me a plate with my collard greens and some potato salad. Check it out. Here go what it looks like. Okay, this is the final product. You see my greens in a can, potato salad, and I cooked this for an hour and a half at 375 degrees, and it came out just right for me. Some people may want it, cook it a little longer or a little less, but an hour and a half in the air fryer. Look at that turkey leg. Oh man, I'm fit to grub. And I got my Michelob Ultra. All right, you guys have a great day.